Sanding is an important part of almost any project using wood. I'm Danny Lipford with tips for today's homeowner. Stay tuned and we'll talk about a simple way to get it done in a tight space right after this.
Transform your kitchen or bathroom with a beautiful tiled backsplash all by yourself in as fast as one day with Simple Mat from Custom Building Products. Simple Mat is a unique double-sided adhesive mat designed to bond tile to backsplashes, countertops, and shower walls. No mixing of powder, no mess to clean up, and no waiting for the mortar to harden. Simply set the tile onto the mat, then grout. It's the quickest, easiest, cleanest way to install tile. Visit thesimplemat.com for more information. Available exclusively at the Home Depot.
It doesn't take too many woodworking projects to figure out that a motorized sander is easier than sanding by hand. But sometimes a sander simply won't fit where it's needed, or it might be a little too aggressive for the job at hand. So try making your own mini sanding blocks. For flat surfaces, attach some sandpaper to a paint stirring stick with spray adhesive to create a rigid, narrow sanding tool that'll fit almost anywhere. If your project includes curve cuts or circular holes, use the spray adhesive to attach the sandpaper around a short piece of PVC pipe. You buy the pipe in a variety of sizes to match the arc of the curve or the diameter of the hole. I'm Danny Lipford with tips for today's homeowner.